बेंगलुरु के आरटी नगर के कनका नगर के सेंट थॉमस इंग्लिश हाई स्कूल का ज़बरदस्त परफॉर्मेंस। पिछले 35 सालों से स्कूल माकूल फीस के साथ मियारी तालीम फराहम कर रही है। स्कूल में तमाम जदीद सहूलियात मौजूद हैं। बच्चों को स्पेशल कोचिंग भी मुफ्त में दी जाती है। आरटी नगर, सुल्तान पाल्या, कनका नगर, वी नागिनहल्ली के इलाके में ये स्कूल काफ़ी मकबूल हो गई है। स्कूल से रब्ता करने के लिए नीचे दिए गए नंबरात पर कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकते हैं।
You don't interest. It always depends on your interest, how you people learn it at home, right?
My name is Taneem. I was studying in St. Thomas English High School. Our teacher was our backbone. They supported us in every moment. If we were having some doubts, they used to clear. We were having special classes also. Still, end of exam, they used to help us. Whichever doubts we have our teachers have cleared, and I am very much thankful that I have got this kind of school, and I thank my teachers. They have supported me a lot. Thank you.
Good afternoon, myself Muskan of St. Thomas English High School. I have recently passed my 10th standard. I have scored 95%. I have got highest in English. As I thank my teachers and my dear principal, everyone, for their support and good education. As we are the students of St. Thomas, we are continuing our education in St. Thomas PU College. I request everyone to join St. Thomas PU College. Thanks.
Myself Manvita from St. Thomas English High School. Here teachers are very good. They help us in every way. They keep special classes and will have a very good faculty here. And principal ma'am is there for as a backbone for us, and they'll help us in every way for students.
Hello, good morning everybody. My son was studied in this school last year. He passed SSLC examination last year. This school, the St. Thomas School, St. Thomas High School. This management is very cooperative to the parents and also to the students. They gave the best education for them, and they cooperated with every needs and the education for the student. And I am very thankful to the management and especially to the Naurin ma'am. She is the principal and she is managing very beautifully and very. She is very hardworking, and I thank this management and all the teachers who gave education to my child.
I, Aslam Basha, secretary of this school. This is school is startup in 1986. In this area, there are 4-5 schools are there. For our Muslim and other caste also, we want to develop this area. We start up the school. This is a school from LKG to 10 standards are there. Mostly in this area, Kankanaga, the other schools are there. For this other school, we want to improve our school. We want to grow up our school, grow up our children's, grow up our area children's and all.
Everyone. I principal of St. Thomas English High School. As I've done my MSc in clinical child psychology, my education background, I was much interested with the education of children. So after I got married, I started my journey with a Montessori school called Little Champs in JC Nagar. Down the lane, we got a very good response from the parents. We gave affordable fee structure with quality education, and that's how we came into St. Thomas. From the time we have entered St. Thomas, we have given the best education. More efforts are put by us so that every child deserves quality education. The fee structure should not be a barrier to the education. Nowadays, we see so many schools coming up with high fee structures where parents feel very difficult that to put them into admissions, the donations, so much it is going on. So in our St. Thomas, we promise to give everyone a quality education with a minimal fees, affordable fee structure. With regard to our teachers, they are very dedicated. The staff is very supportive. Our students are very dedicated. I am proud that my students coming from such background, the enthusiasm they have towards teaching, enthusiasm of having a good life, enthusiasm of coming up from that status and reaching a very good status in their life for themselves, for parents. I appreciate my students for supporting us. I appreciate my parents to understanding what St. Thomas is trying to give them. From the past 5 consecutive years, we have been giving 100% SLC result. The special classes, the efforts, the extra time taken by our teachers only for the sake of students. We come up in the morning 7 o'clock till the evening 5 o'clock. We are taking care of our children so that they become good citizens of our country, as also they come up in their life. So that is the main aim of our St. Thomas. Not only with regard to this, we have improved a lot with regard to infrastructure, with regard to computer facilities, lab facilities, smart board facilities. We also have Montessori special section for the children with the play area. We are coming up with more innovative things like robotics. As we see, the technology is improving day by day. So my main aim in the coming future for the education is to give robotics for the children, to give more of technology exposure with regard to science background, with regard to arts background, where nowadays students are also interested in arts field. So we are open up with all the exposure for the students so that they come up in their life.
What is the fee structure?
Sir, to the max for high school, we have 40,000, including the monthly fees, the uniform, the stationery, notebook, and classwork. It includes everything. Even the computer fees is included within that.
It's a
So we
primary
don't
and-
take, we don't take donations.
It's primary and high school also.
Yes, primary and high school.
कितने बच्चे पढ़ रहे हैं हमें यहाँ?
Currently, we have 500 students, sir. Presently, we have 500 students. As we started the slow process, every year we are, achieving a target of students coming in, understanding. The parents are understanding. For a good education, you no need to have fancy infrastructure, fancy campus. Everything we are also giving here, so that every facility is given in an affordable fee structure. We also have scholarship, especially for the girl child. With girls education, we want to support more girl education. For that reason, we have scholarship provided for the girls education as well as for the other students as well. We promise, St. Thomas management, the staff, everyone promise to deliver even more better quality education in the coming future. Lastly, I would thank my secretary sir, my staff, my students, as well as the biggest thank to the parents who have always supported us and cooperated us. Have trust on us. Definitely, we will make sure that your children will become a better citizen of our country.
Good morning, one and all present here. I myself, Amruta Ghodke N, representing myself as a science teacher for grade 9th and 10th. I do handle subject science, physics, chemistry, and biology. I take a proud privilege to tell that I'm working from past 9 years in St. Thomas English High School under this management. This is my 10th year. I had a good experience of working with such a good management who kindly cooperate not only with teachers but also students. Here, every year we do secure 100% of result for SSLC, and we have a good training for grade 8th and 9th. I myself, being a part of the school, I really feel blessed. Inshallah, next year also we are going to do many more good creativity activities for grade 8th and 9th and to give a good citizens to India.